If you have an iPhone 16 but don't have an Apple ID yet, and you want to just set up a new one to use it with your device or the App Store, in this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create an iCloud account directly from your iPhone. Alright, so for that, open up Settings, then tap on the Apple Account option, tap on Don't Have an Apple Account. Go ahead, select the age range just in case if you're creating this ID for your child. Now, when prompted, carefully put down your name, first and then last name. To select your birthday, just tap on Add. A calendar will appear, and then just go ahead and select your birth year, month, and the day. When you're done, press Continue. But if you don't have any email address or you don't want to use an existing one, just go ahead and tap on Don't Have an Email Address. Don't worry, the process is almost the same. And then just tap on Get an iCloud email address. You're going to write down your name that'll appear or be visible right before iCloud.com. After choosing one, you can press Continue and check if the name is taken or available, which in my case is taken. So I'm just pressing OK. And I'm going to just go ahead and select another name with some unique number and then press Continue. Now, when you see it's available, you'll get this pop-up. Just tap on Create Email Address. Now, create a password for your Apple ID and then just go ahead and verify it. Press Continue. Now, you're going to put down a phone number for two-factor authentication. Now, first, select your country or region, then the number itself. A verification code will be sent to that number, whether it's installed in this device or somewhere else. Just select if you want it via text or call. Press Continue. Just go ahead, get the code, and then carefully put down the exact code in here. Agree to the terms and condition, and voila! You'll be signed into your newly created Apple ID right away. You'll see it on your settings, and you'll be signed into your App Store as well. You can then go ahead and start installing apps from your App Store. Just when prompted, put down your Apple ID password. That's it. And that's how you can create an Apple account even without an existing email address. Thanks for watching.